This video is for the installation of the wheel well guards on the Yamaha Kodiak 450. Go ahead and show us how to install these.
Okay, well, first thing we're going to do here, we're going to take this aluminum piece, we're going to place it in here like this, and bring it up, and follow this line right here, and level the shovel across there, and make sure you come up enough that you have enough room to transfer drill this hole in here to put a bolt in here. And once you're at that point, the first thing you want to do is transfer drill these two holes, put the bolts in, and tighten them down. And then come up to here, transfer drill these two holes, and then take your plastic piece, which will already have the holes drilled in it, put it over this, and put your bolts and tighten them down. Then come up here and press in, and there's 4 holes that you transfer drill into there, and put the bolts in, and you're done. That's all there is to it. And it's the same thing on the other side.